Hey, what's up guys? So I try to look up how high can a person bunny hop on a flat. So most people can hop 6 inches less. Okay, that's the size of a gutter. Oh, so I'm trying to do, since I'm just new to this game, bunny hopping, so I'm gonna try to set my goal to bunny hop 9 inches, which is like second to the most people can hop. And then I'm gonna work my goal to bunny hop up to a foot. So okay, watch my video, see if I can do it, if I can clear it. Let's go. I got this bunny hop agility for the dogs. So look, I'm gonna measure it, see if we can bunny hop this. So this is about, oops, can you back up? Back up. Yeah, there you go. So this is about, say 6.5 inches. Okay, let's try this.
Make a U-turn. Let's see.
So guys, we're gonna raise it up to 9 inches. So we're gonna go up, right here. You see it? So I'm gonna adjust it a little bit more. Right there, right there. So this is about 9 inches. So we're gonna bunny hop 9 inches. See what happened. Let's go. Let's go. Woo! Woo! Okay, hopefully I'll get it, okay?
Okay.
So I'm gonna try it again the third time. I didn't get it. I'm gonna keep on trying, guys. Let's go. I think I can't do 9 inches. But I'm gonna keep trying. Let's go. I think my rear keep on catching, my rear tire, so I think I have to scoop it up. Let's see. Yo, you see that? I scoop it up 9 inches. Yeah, that's my most that's my highest bunny hop ever. 9 inches. Let's go.
Da da da. Wow.